Welcome to our fourth video greeting. This time we are finally live from the Krones booth at this year's drinktec. Solutions beyond tomorrow. This is our claim to present Krones at the leading trade fair for the beverage and liquid food industry. Over the next 5 days, we'll be showcasing our unique portfolio with a special focus on the latest innovations, all centered around the themes of data-driven and resource-efficient plant engineering, including the services. As usual, you'll find Krones across the entire Hall B6. This year, we have also expanded our presence to the PET point in neighboring Hall C6, bringing our total exhibition space to around 10,000 square meters. This generous space allows us to showcase the full portfolio of the Krones Group. From high-end process technology and energy and media-efficient filling and packaging solutions to fully automated intralogistics concepts. The Krones world demonstrates how digitalization, sustainability and efficiency not only go hand in hand, but actually reinforce one another. Today, every fourth container worldwide runs through a Krones machine. In the future, we are expecting to see that number even growing. A special highlight at this year's trade fair is our automated and digitally networked line of the future, Ingenic. What was still a visionary concept in 2022 has now become reality. And it doesn't stop with the implemented PET solution. Krones is already working on Ingenic concepts for glass and can formats. In addition, we are presenting innovations from across our entire portfolio, tailored to all performance ranges and market segments. At the PET point in Hall C6, we'll show you how a closed-loop plastic production system can be both sustainable and fit for the future. And one thing is clear, drinktec 2025 is more than just a trade fair for Krones. It marks a milestone on the path toward connected, sustainable and efficient production. Our full attention is on our customers, and we are showing up as one committed and motivated team for all our international guests. drinktec is the ultimate platform for Krones to strengthen relationships and build trust with our customers and all interested visitors. Feel free to stop by in person. We are looking forward to seeing you. And by the way, don't miss our live program during the trade fair days. The Krones Forum, also available via live stream, offers fresh insights, new perspectives and inspiring ideas to help you tackle your individual challenges. See you soon. I can't wait to welcome you.